Hey guys, I got a new toy. You know I love my toys. I got it on credit though. Okay, this is not advertising for this. I have so many gadgets that cut things, but my mandolin, I like it, but I'm scared of it because I cut my finger really bad on it. So I got a what is it called? Vegetti Pro, and it works so great. You know, I hate the little extra pieces that are left over, but you can always just cut them up with a knife. And I just did this. I'm not advertising for them, or, you know, if you would like for me to do a video and show you a video of me using this, please comment below and I will do a video of me cutting things up with this thing. But I really like it. And here are my noodles. These are zucchini noodles. But it always leaves like this long thing here. And so I'm just going to take those little things and just chop them up, like make little bitty thingy things out of them. And you always have this part left also, these little spiral things. So I'm just gonna put them together and just slice them up too. They won't be noodly. I'm making using this sauce. I'm going to make Italian style scampi. It's a sauce that I'm going to be using with shrimp. I'm going to be using my noodles, and I'm going to be using, I guess, no, I'm going to use those for breakfast. The rest of I'm tight-tongued. I'm going to use the rest of the shrimp that I had from last night that I didn't eat all of, and I have some more shrimp that I'm going to cook now. I'm going to open and boil. Okay, everything's boiling. Time to put in my thin spaghetti. Make enough with them. I don't want to overdo it. That should be enough to fit directly in the fist with my thumb. Put it. Should be enough. Yeah, don't put it in whole, because we're not trying to twirl anything around. Work, break it. That's my workout. Hey. There. Yes. That was fun. Okay, and now I'm going to put in my noodles. You will hear the cat screaming because he wants shrimp, but he can't have all my shrimp. I'm going to pour the water off my zucchini sketty. Is that what you call it? Zucchini sketty. Put it in. It seems like a lot, but it's like 1.5 zucchini, or one small one and one large one, and it's just enough for me. I'm gonna pour the rest of this water off. So I want it to absorb the sauce and not have so much water. Okay. I'm gonna let that cook down some more. And then I'm going to pour, not much water left on this. But let's see if it's ready. We'll do one for the stick test. See if it sticks. And one I'm going to taste. It sticks. It's ready. It's ready. I'm going to rinse this off before I pour out the water. It doesn't stick together. Okay, that's ready. Okay. Turn both fires down low. Okay. I'm going to be using this Italian style scampi. The majority of it is going to go. I'm weak. Here we go. In here, and I'm going to pour mine first to make sure I have enough, which I don't need a lot. There. And the rest will go in here. Ooh, I think I put too much in mine. Ooh. You know what? I can pull my to the side and pour more in here. And my little vegetables won't hurt theirs. Okay. Yeah, because I got a little bit too much of the sauce, I think. I'm going to fix it. Should have just poured a little. Okay. I can't have any pasta on the keto. Okay. Little vegetables in there won't hurt. Oh, that looks so good. Now I'm going to add shrimp. These are shrimps with the tail on. They have to go through it, but oh well. A little work won't hurt them. Those are the seasoning. The bag bursts the seasoning in it, so I have to pick those out. I think they're little peppercorns. I like a little burst of peppercorns. Okay. In mine, I will be putting my rutabagas in mine also. So those are little peppercorns. Get rid of those. I tried to get them rinsed off. I hate the bag burst on me. There. I'm going to add the rest of the shrimp from last night. Do I really need to? Because he's going to make some gumbo later. And maybe he wants to save the remaining shrimp that's in here to go in his gumbo. Yeah, he can. It's enough. Or we can just buy more shrimp. Okay. Mine looks different because I'm going to put the root, because I have the rutabagas in it, but I want to eat them. So I'm going to use all the shrimp. When he makes the gumbo, he can just buy more shrimp, because we need all the shrimp we can get in here. To make a meal out of this. And you know what? You cook and you change your mind about things, and I'm going to take the rutabaga out. Because I changed my mind. I don't want rutabaga in it. I think that's all of the shrimp. I've gotten them all. But the rutabagas have to go. That's not what I'm making. I'm not making slop. Well, it looks like it a little bit here. I'm going to take those out. Although it just adds to the vegetables. But I'm not going to. Don't want to plate it like that. Okay. It's all done. There's my meal. My zucchini got too done. It's like really well done, but that's okay. I'm going to eat it anyway. And here's is shrimp scampi for my young men. There you are. Give you a close-up look of it. Oh, here we go, here we go. Can you see that? That looks so good. So good. That is shrimp scampi. I can't even taste it. I'm going to put a little Italian seasoning in there to give it a little more flavor. I'm going to do the same with this. Okay. Next time I know to, what's it called? Al dente? My zucchini, I just need to dip it in the hot water. Probably put a pat of butter in it, dip it in the water for maybe 5 minutes, and pull it right back out, and I can have solid noodles. So this is a little mushy, but hot. But it's still good. Mushy but good. So next time, this is trial and error, guys, and I errored this time. So next time, like I said, I'm going to take my noodles and just dip them in the hot water, time it 5 minutes, smother with just like a pat of butter to separate the noodles, and then put it in my shrimp. But it still tastes good, just mushy. Not the consistency that I wanted, but still very flavorful. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like my videos, and I will be cooking again. Hopefully next time I'll make them right.